Let me be honest with you, most people making YouTube shorts are just guessing. They post random videos, hope something blows up, and then they wonder why they are stuck at 200 views. But here is the truth. There are people right now getting millions of views consistently, not by luck, but by following a repeatable system. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to make shorts that go viral every single time, step by step. No fluff, no theory, just a proven formula you can start using today. Stay till the end because I will show you the one mistake that silently kills 90% of shorts before they even get pushed. Before we jump into creating viral shorts, you need to understand one thing. YouTube doesn't care about you, it cares about the watch behavior. That means your video is judged by three things. Firstly is the hook for the first 3 seconds. Secondly is retention. Do people keep watching? And thirdly is rewatchability. Do people watch again? If your short fails any of this, it dies instantly. And that's why some videos get stuck at 200 views, while others explode to 100,000, 1 million, or even 10 million views. So the goal is simple. Make people stop scrolling, make them watch till the end, and make them rewatch. Now, let's break down how to actually do that. Step 1. The viral hook formula. This is where most people fail. Your first 3 seconds decide everything. And if your hook is weak, your video is dead. Here are 3 proven viral hook styles you should use. Number 1. Curiosity hook. Make people need to know what happens next. Example, this guy made $10,000 with one video, but there is a catch. Number 2. Shock hooks. Say something unexpected. Example, you have been making short runs this whole time. Number 3. Value hook. Promise instant benefit. Example, here is how to go viral on YouTube short in 24 hours. Now, here is the pro tip. Never start your video with, "Hey guys, welcome back," long intros. You are not on a podcast. You are in a battlefield for attention. Start strong or get ignored. Step 2. The perfect short structure. And now, let's talk about the structure of a viral short. Every viral short follows this simple flow. Firstly is the hook. Grab attention instantly for the first 3 seconds. Secondly is to build up. Add tension, curiosity, or value up to like 10 seconds. And lastly is the payoff. Deliver something satisfying to like 25 seconds, and that's enough. Here is an example. This website pays you $100 a day, but almost nobody knows about it. Go to this site and do this. The secret is keep cutting out everything boring. If there is even 1 second of boredom, people scroll. And that brings us to step 3. Retention hacks that force virality. This is the part most creators don't know. Even if your hook is good, your video won't go viral unless people stay. And here is how to boost retention. Number 1. Fast cut. Change scenes every 1 to 2 seconds. No static boring shots. Number 2. Pattern interrupt. Use zoom ins, text pop-ups, sound effects, sudden changes, and keep the brain always engaged. Number 3 is open loop. Give incomplete info early. Example, I tried this strategy 7 days and the results shocked me. Now they have to stay. Number 4 is subtitle. Most people watch without sound, and use bold and dynamic captions because it's very important. Number 5, loop your video. Make the ending connect to the beginning so it restarts seamlessly. That increases rewatch and boosts virality massively. Step 4. Let's talk about the content that actually goes viral. Not all content goes viral. Here are the types of shorts that blow up consistently. Number 1. Money content. People love money. Example, how I made $500 in one day. Side hustle nobody talked about. Number 2 is transformation content. Before and after. From broke to $10,000 per month. From 0 to 10,000 followers. Number 3. Secrets and hacks. People love hidden knowledge. Example, secret YouTube feature. Algorithm trick nobody tells you. Number 4, relatable content. Make people say, "That's me." And the key rules here is don't just post content. Post content people are already proven watch. Study viral videos and remake with your twist. Step 5, the posting strategy nobody talks about. Even if your content is good, posting strategy matters. Here is what works. Post 1 to 3 shots daily. Stay consistent for at least 30 days. Don't delete low view videos because they can blow later. And also, your first 10 videos are tests. YouTube is figuring out who your audience is, what works, so don't quit early. Now, let me tell you one mistake that kills most shots. Trying to be perfect instead of posting. Most people overthink, delay, wait for perfection. Meanwhile, others are posting daily, learning fast and going viral. So here is your challenge. Post 10 shots in the next 3 days. Apply everything you learned here. Study what works. Because the truth is, you are just one viral shot away from thousands of subscribers, monetization, and real income. But it only happens if you take action. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe because I'm dropping more strategies that can literally change your life. Now, go create and go viral.